Okay, so in the last video, we looked at standard deviation, and I drew a bell curve, and I showed you that one deviation away was here, 2 deviations, 3, and going backwards is 1 deviation, 2, and 3. So what I want to do in this video is I want to just take another look at standard deviation, just a different way to look at it. So a set of data has a mean of 11 and a standard deviation of 2.3. Create a graph, a bell curve, for the situation. What is the value 2 standard deviations above the mean? Oh, I put about. That should be above. Above the mean. What is 3 standard deviations below the mean? So let's go ahead and let's draw this bell curve. So I'm going to draw it. IB loves pictures. I will tell you that right off the bat. They love it. So what I know in this situation is that the mean is 11. So this is 11. That's the mean. And I know that the standard deviation is 2.3. So 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviations. All right. If this is 11, then I just need to add 2.3 to get here. And then I need to add 2.3 again, which is 15.6. So it said, what is the value 2 standard deviations away? 15.6. So that would be this one, 2 standard deviations above. What is it 3 below? So 1, 2, 3 below. Right, 3 below. So we're going to do 11 minus 2.3. Minus 2.3, minus 2.3. We are at 4.1. How would I write that? Well, I could do a couple different ways. The mean is 11. The standard deviation is 2.3. I could actually write the words 2 above is 15.6 and 3 below is 4.1. You could draw, really in my mind, the best way to do this one is to draw a picture and put it that way. Okay, a set of data has a mean of 11. I'm going to go ahead and put that, a mean of 11. And a standard deviation of 2.3 again. I guess I was really original when I was making these. If every value in the set is decreased by 5, write down the mean and the standard deviation of the new set of data. Okay, so let's actually draw that. So here's my bell curve, and here's what I know. I'll do this all in blue. I know the mean is here, and it was 11. Now, what they're doing is they're decreasing by 5 everything in here. If they decrease this by 5, that just means it's going to move. How do I want to draw this? I'm going to draw this here. I'm going to put it here. All they did was shift it, all right? I'm going to try and, I'm not ever very good at drawing these. Okay, so it shifted down. What happens? Well, the mean was at 11. It shifted down, so now it's at 5. But what about the standard deviation? You know what? It's still the same graph. It's just shifted down. So the new mean would be 6, but the standard deviation, still 2.3. You didn't change that at all. You just shifted the graph, well, really to the left, 5. All right. That was write down the mean and the standard deviation. Yep, there we go. That's it. Transformation. Standard deviation, transformations. Transformations means moving, and when you move it, yeah, nothing happened. Okay, the same data. All right, so here we go, the same data. So we've got the mean is 11, and the standard deviation is 2.3. Same data. The same set of data with a mean of 11 and standard deviation of 2.3 is modified so that every value in the set is multiplied by 4. Find the mean and standard deviation of the new set of data. Okay, so let's draw it again. Okay, so here's our data. We know we've got the mean right here at 11. But now we are multiplying everything by 4. When I do the mean times 4, that becomes 44. That means the average is way up here, right? I'm going to draw this out a little bit more. That means the average is now way out here at 44. And likewise, if I take the standard deviation and sorry, it's 3, not 4. I was thinking 4 in my brain. If I take the standard deviation and I multiply it by 4, that makes this 9.2. Okay, that means the data is now more spread out. So it might look something more like this. The data is more spread out. Find the mean and standard deviation of the new set. Well, here's the mean of the new set, and here's the standard deviation of the new set. It's more spread out. Now, that's all on this because the next page is going to be our check for understanding. And so, or actually, no, it's not our check for understanding. It's complete. We've completed it. All right. Thanks for watching, y'all. This was a short video.